Part 2. In Malam, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit reviewed a judgment denying relief to an individual who sought to redeem a $50 Federal Reserve banknote in lawful money. The United States tendered Malam $50 in Federal Reserve notes, but Malam refused. Malam refused the notes, asserting that lawful money must be gold or silver. The Ninth Circuit noting that this matter had been put to rest by the U.S. Supreme Court nearly a century before in the legal tender cases Juilliard versus Greenman in 1884. And it was rejected that this assertion was done as frivolous and affirmed the judgment. So question, did the Federal Reserve, did the United States Court commit fraud by giving Malam a $50 Federal Reserve note and saying that that is on par? That is the same as gold and silver. Is this true or false? The answer is they actually gave him lawful money. You see, Malam was unaware that there are two sides to the dollar bill now. There's a public side and there's a private side. They left the obligation up to you to decide which side you want to trigger by how you use the actual Federal Reserve note. If you look on the dollar bill, it says, this note is legal tender for all debts, public and private. There is a signature by the Treasurer, and there's also a signature by the United States Treasury. The dollar bill that we are circulating today is missing the language known as a restrictive endorsement. The language of this note shall be redeemable in lawful money and can be redeemed at any Federal Reserve Bank or at any place or such as the Treasury within the city of Washington, D.C. It's missing that language. So you have to take those notes and convert it into what's called money orders, drafts, or checks. And you must place that language back on there. Think of what's going to happen when all of us start circulating those type of notes.